What's up guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles and I'm checking out the new mid-ranger from LG. This is the LG K10. Nice metal body, brushed metal finish, looks really nice. So up front is a 5.3-inch HD display. This phone is powered by a MediaTek 1.5 GHz octa-core processor by MediaTek, the 6750. Two different RAM and storage variants, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage on the LG K10 and 3 GB RAM, 32 GB storage on the LG K10 Plus. Now those are the only differences between the K10 and the K10 Plus. 3000 mAh battery, full range of connectivity options, fingerprint sensor at the back. This is also the power key as usual with most LG devices. Charging port, 3.5mm socket on the bottom, volume keys on the left, SIM tray on the right, nothing on top except the secondary microphone. So at the back you'll see the 13 megapixel rear camera with flash. That's the power key cum fingerprint sensor in the middle and a speaker closer to the bottom. As far as the front camera is concerned, you get an 8 megapixel or a 5 megapixel sensor. I think that would vary depending on region. So this is LG's proprietary skin. It's based on Android Nougat and standard set of LG features. A heavily customized skin. The phone feels nice and light, solid build quality, looks good I think, though it sticks to a conventional 16:9 display. So that guys, the quick hands-on of the LG K10 and also the LG K10 Plus, because the specs are more or less the same apart from the RAM and storage.